Murkier details emerging almost every day in the sensational murder case of Renukaswamy. There seems to be no relief in sight for Kannada actor Darshan. Currently, Darshan, Pavitra and 14 other accused have been remanded to police custody again till the 20th of June. Now, in the latest development, cops have inspected a prominent hotel in Mysuru. As per sources, financial transaction took place at this hotel after the crime happened. Another popular Kannada actor, Chikanna, was summoned to Annapurneshwari Nagar police station for questioning. Though the actor does not have a direct link to the crime, sources suggest that Chikanna met Darshan before allegedly committing the crime. Investigators are leaving no stone unturned to get to the bottom of the case and have put an extensive system in place to collect evidence. As per sources, an assistant commissioner of police has been given the charge of the probe. He will be monitoring several teams operating from different districts. Police teams from Bengaluru, Mysuru, Chitradurg have been assigned the task of collecting evidence and reporting it back to the SCP.
ಗಂಭೀರತೆಯನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮತೆಯನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಎಸಿಪಿ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಸಿಪಿ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಅವರು ಈ ಪ್ರಕರಣದ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ತನಿಖೆಯ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊತ್ತುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವಶ್ಯ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ತನಿಖೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಯಾಮಗಳಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೂ ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಚಿತ್ರದುರ್ಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೂರಕವಾಗಿ ಈ ತನಿಖಾ ತಂಡವನ್ನು ನೇಮಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.
Well, Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara has responded to the alleged celebrity links in Swamy murder case. He said Darshan is a big celebrity and has many celebrity contacts. He also added that this does not mean that all of them are involved. Listen in.
ಅವರು ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ನಟರಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹತ್ಯೆ ಪ್ರಕರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನು ನಾವು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ಗಳೇನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಂಥವರು ಅವರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದವರು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಕರೆದು ವಿಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Politicians made a beeline for Renukaswamy's residence in Chitradurg yesterday, I beg your pardon. Home Minister G. Parmeshwar met the grieving kin of Swamy and assured justice. BJP leaders led by State Party President B.Y. Vijayendra too met the family. They also demanded state government provide a government job to Swamy's pregnant wife and ex gratia for the family.
ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತಾಯವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಆ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ತುಂಬತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ರೇಣುಕಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಧರ್ಮಪತ್ನಿ ಏನಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾಪ 4 ತಿಂಗಳು ಗರ್ಭಿಣಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ನೌಕರಿ ಉದ್ಯೋಗವನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪರಿಹಾರವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ಜಗಜ್ಜಾಹಿರ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ತನಿಖೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಬೇಕು.
We're getting some breaking inputs now. Chilling details in the Swamy murder case. Death due to shock and hemorrhage. That's what we're given to understand. Swamy was attacked, remember, with lathi and a branch of trees. These are all details coming to fore about the torture, about how he was beaten up and the cause of the death. Deepak is getting us more details. Yes, Deepak.
The second remand copy that was, that has been accessed by Times now. This was, of course, the provided in court by the police when they had sought, further custody of Darshan and the other accused. What this basically highlights is, the brutality of the crime. Once again, it details out the evidences that has been collected by the police, the places that has been visited, what has been done in terms of investigation, and what further needs to be done as well is all finding a mention here. If I could take you through some of the details, it talks about how much money here in total came into picture. About 30 lakhs Darshan had already arranged. This includes the 5 lakhs to be paid to people who had to take the fall. We had, of course, put out those details earlier. But some of the money that in question here has been seized by the police. Apart from that, they have managed to collect blood stains from the spot of the crime, which was, there were several questions asked whether the crime actually took place there. Now the cops are confirming that. They've also confirmed that the SUV that was used to transport the body, now forensic data has also been collected from it and blood stains were also found on that. the clothes that Darshan wore, while the information was sought from him about, on the day of the crime, whether the clothes that he wore were still with him. He has taken them to the house only to realize that they were already washed and, kept in the terrace. So whether there'll be any sort of forensic data that they'll be able to find from that remains a question. And the CCTV grab from the spot where, the crime has actually taken place, that too right now is with the police. And like you mentioned, the CCTV, I beg your pardon, the autopsy report, the details of it slightly also find a mention here, and the death is due to shock and hemorrhage as a result of multiple blunt injuries that has been sustained by Renuka Swamy, something that the police have mentioned in the remand copy.
Yes.
There's also a very important detail that we should also note here, that the accused have also taken away the gold chain, gold ring and a watch which was worn by Renuka Swamy. It's not just that they subjected him to this brutal assault, but while they disposed his body, they thought they'll make some money off him as well.
Right, Deepak, stay on with us. Let's in fact now break down the details of what you've shared with us. What Deepak has told us is the inside detail on the murder case, and we've accessed the second remand copy in Darshan case. Inside scoop is that 30 lakh rupees was paid to cover up the entire crime. The accused Nagaraj transported the body. The body of Renuka Swamy was taken in a Scorpio car, and Deepak continues to be with us. Deepak, second remand copy talks about these details, and in fact from him being picked up, beaten up, to the money paid for cover-up, to his body being taken, all of the dots have been connected, and apparently the cops also have evidence to substantiate the charges?
Yes. Now we get an idea as to now many questions have been raised up until now, Swati, about how much work has been done by the police in this case. This remand probably gives a good picture of the kind of evidence that they have. Now, if you take our viewers through the sequence of evidence and the evidence that they have, starting from the car that was used for abduction of the victim here. They have got hold of the car. They have got forensic data from this particular car. They have got CCTV images of them passing through toll gates. They have also received, the payment that was made at toll gates. Once again, linking, the accused to the crime. Then they've got CCTV, grabs at the spot of the crime. They've got forensic data from the spot of the crime, be it bloodstains, be it hair, and also clothes, pieces of clothes. Now, and we should also note that the weapons that were used were also shown by the, accused when they were taken for a spot inspection. This included, a small branch of a tree. There was also a lathi of sorts, a wooden stick that they used to beat him up, a water bottle there.
Right.
All of this was also found at the spot of the crime, and this too has been collected by the police. Once again, that could be linked directly or indirectly to the accused.
All right, Deepak, thank you very much for getting us the details of the sensational murder case and the plot. The cops have all the evidence to establish the case and to substantiate the charges. With that, we're swinging into a very short break.